some of you guys saw this, and with overexcitement you all misunderstood what Facebook mean by this, right? So let me read it out loud what Facebook said right there. Facebook said, you have been invited to use licensed music with content monetization. Your reel can now earn money if you include eligible track from the Facebook audio library. Understand? What Facebook actually means right here is that you can make money using those music that they put when you are uploading reels. Those music, right? And how you are going to be using them is when you want to upload your reel, that you can use those music. They didn't say, yeah, you can now use licensed music that are eligible, that you should go and put those music in your video and upload it as normal video. We are going to get copyrighted. What they mean is that if you want to use this audio, that you are going to use it on your reel, you are going to upload it just the normal way. When we are uploading reels, we use the sound, right? So when you use the sound, you'll be able to make money, right? So let me explain something for you guys. Like when you click on the try now, if you look at that this thing, you will see try now, right? So when you click on the try now, it is going to take you to reel, right? It's going to take you to a place where you are going to select your video, right? So when you select your video, let me say for instance I select this video, right? So when you select your video, you are going to see audio, right? So when you click on the audio, what you are going to see is add music, right? Then add music, you are going to see all those music that we normally use for the reel, all those music. That's what you are going to see. So they are not saying you should go and download Wizkid music and put on your video and upload, right? You must follow the due process, because a lot of people, when they see you up, they don't even ask questions. They just boom, they just jump into it without asking questions, without understanding what Facebook mean. And this particular thing is going to lead a lot of people to copyright strike. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, because someone chatted me yesterday and was like, yeah, does it mean that when they use those music that they are going to earn more money, right? If you use the music, you are still going to earn money. Normal way your reel is supposed to earn you money. But Facebook is just trying to let you know that you can now use those music and earn money. That when you use those music in your videos, that in your reels, right, that you can earn money using those videos, right? Let me say for instance you want to upload video or picture, and you want to create that picture as a reel. You can just like select like 3 or 4 pictures, right? Then put the music on the background, and as the music is playing, the pictures will be flipping, you know, is real. So you are going to make money with it. So what they mean is that when you use the music the normal way, the actual way they want you to use it, that you are going to earn. Don't go and download the video's music on YouTube and add it on your video and upload directly. You are going to get copyright strike. They are definitely going to strike you. So it's important, right, that when they say something, do it exactly the same way they say that you should do it, right? So this is exactly the reason why I'm making this video, and I believe this video will help a lot of people, right? And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them, right? And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch the video and learn from it as well, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.